Namaskar children. In the last video, we have learnt about addition and a word problem based on it. Children, do you remember what I told you at the end of that video? Yes, we will start with new topic. So today, we will learn about subtraction. What is subtraction? Taking away some objects or numbers from a group is called subtraction. Subtraction means to take away. The answer in subtraction is called a difference, as answer in addition is called sum. We use minus sign to denote subtraction. We subtract a smaller number from bigger number. Let us study the subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. 968 minus 341. Children, arrange the numbers in place value chart and start from units place. See the units place. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So write 7 in units place. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So write 2 in tens place. And see the digits in hundreds place. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So write 6 in hundreds place. Your answer is 627. See the second example. 478 minus 153. Arrange the numbers in place value chart and start from units place. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So write 5 in units place. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So write 2 in tens place. And 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So write 3 in hundreds place. Your answer is 325. Just now you have learned subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. But what is actually borrowing? Borrowing means taking something that we have less from someone who has it. When we have something less, we borrow. I can give you one example. We need to give 4 pencils to our friend, but we have actually only 1 pencil with us. Then what we will do? We might borrow from our neighbor. When we borrow, we do not borrow one, but one whole group of tens. That is why in the tens place, we decrease the number by 1 tenth. We follow the same procedure for the hundreds place, thousands place, and for all the other bigger places. Let us study the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing. 6749 minus 4387. Arrange the digits in place value chart and start from units place. See the digits in units place. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So write 2 in units place. Now see the digits in tens place. We cannot subtract 8 from 4. So we need to borrow from hundreds place. And when we are borrowing from hundreds place give us 100. That is 10 tens. Now see the tens place carefully. Actually, we have 4 tens with us. Plus, we borrowed 10 tens from hundreds place. So, now we have 14 tens with us. So, strike out 4 and write 14 above 4. And now subtract the digits in tens place. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. So, write 6 in tens place. Now see the digits in hundreds place. As hundreds place has given 100 to tens place, now hundreds place has remaining 600. So strike out 7 and write 6 above 7. Now subtract the digits in hundreds place. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And see the digits in thousands place. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So write 2 in thousands place. and your answer is 2362. Study the example subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing. 5396 minus 1824. Arrange the digits in place value chart and start from units place. See the digits in units place. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So write 2 in units place. Now see the digits in tens place. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So write 7 in tens place. Now see the digits in hundreds place. We cannot subtract 8 from 3. So we have to borrow from thousands place. When we borrow from thousands place gives us 1000. That is nothing but 1000. So we have 300 with us plus we borrowed 1000. So we have 1000 plus 300 is equal to 1300 with us now. So strike out 3 and write 13 above 3. Now see the digits in hundreds place. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So write 5 in hundreds place. As thousands place has given 1000 to hundreds place, it becomes 4000. So strike out 5 and write 4 above 5. Now subtract the digits in thousands place. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So write 3 in thousands place. And your answer is 3572. Study this example. 715 minus 18. Now arrange the digits in place value chart and start from units place. See the digits in units place. 0 and 8. We cannot subtract 8 from 0. So we need to borrow from tens place. And when we are borrowing from tens place, 110 is equal to 10 units. So units place has borrowed 110 from tens place. So it becomes 0 units plus borrowed 10 units is equal to 10 units. So strike out 0 and write 10 above 0 in units place. Now do the subtraction in units place. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. So write 2 in units place. Now see the digits in tens place. Tens place has given 110 to units place. So it becomes now 4 tens. So strike out 5 and write 4 above it. And now do the subtraction of tens place. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So write 3 in tens place. And see the digits in hundreds place. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. So write 7 in hundreds place. And your answer is 732. Now study this example carefully. 2800 minus 475. Arrange the digits in place value chart and see the digits in units place. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. So we have to borrow from tens place. But tens place has 0. So tens place has to borrow from hundreds place. 100, that is 10 tens, hundreds place is giving to tens place. So strike out 0 and write 10 above it. As hundreds place has given 100, strike out 8 and write 7 above it. You have to start subtracting digits from units place. Now units place can borrow from tens place. Units place has borrowed 1/10, that is 10 units. So strike out 0 and write 10 above it. As tens place has given 1/10 to units place, it gets reduced by 1/10. So strike out 0 and write 9 above it in tens place. Now do the subtraction from units place. See the digits in units place. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So write 5 in units place. See the digits in tens place. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So write 2 in tens place. See the digits in hundreds place. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So write 3 in hundreds place. And thousands place. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So write 2 in thousands place. And you will get answer 2325. Summary. What we have learned today. Meaning of subtraction. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers with and without borrowing. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing. Horizontal method of subtraction. In the next video, we will learn more about subtraction. Subtraction of 5-digit numbers by borrowing and word problems based on it. Till then, complete your homework and check with answer key provided. Bye.